How to import tattoosmart files to Procreate. Here's what you'll need: an Apple iPad and the iOS app Procreate. Things to keep in mind: make sure your iOS and Procreate softwares are up to date. An Apple Pencil may be required for some touch-sensitive brushes, and 3D model capabilities are dependent on your iPad's model and memory storage. To get started, go to tattoosmart.com and head to Shop. Filter by product type or style. Make a selection, add it to your cart, and complete checkout. Then you'll go to My Account. This is where all of your downloads will be saved. Now, let's import some tattoosmart tools to Procreate. tattoosmart's tools come in 5 file types: 3D objects in usdz files, skin tone color palettes in swatch files, brush sets and flash stamps in brushset files, digital papers in Procreate files, and eBooks in PDF files. First, we will import a 3D object. Go to your Model Humans download, click on a usdz file link. This will open a new browser window. Click on the 3D square in the top right corner. Click on the share arrow icon. Open with Procreate to import to your gallery. Repeat this step for all model human body parts. Also, be sure to make a stack with all of your model human files and duplicate before using to preserve your originals. Next, we'll import skin tone swatches. This 32 swatch file comes with 3D model humans and 2D protoplast human canvases. Go to your downloads, click the file link, click the download prompt, go to your downloads dropdown, and one-click import to Procreate. You can find this in Procreate by clicking the color puck and selecting the palettes tab. Next, let's import a brush set. This can be a brush set or a flash stamp set. Go to your downloads and click the brush set file link. Click the download prompt, go to your downloads dropdown, and one-click import to Procreate. You can now find the file in your brush library. If the file isn't allowing you to one-click import to Procreate, go to your home screen, hold a finger down on Procreate, and import the file from your recent downloads. Next, let's import a digital paper. These files come with tattoosmart's spit shade set. Included is 33 watercolor papers in varying stains and sizes. To import, go to your spit shade set downloads. Click a paper's Procreate file link, click the download prompt, go to your downloads dropdown, and one-click import to Procreate. Make a stack of all of your spit shade papers, and duplicate files before starting a new project to preserve your original papers. Last, let's import an ebook. Go to your downloads, click on the ebook PDF file link. This will open a new browser window. Click the share arrow icon. You can scroll down and select Save to Files to reference in the future, or go to your home screen, hold a finger down on Procreate, and import the file from your recent downloads. And that's how to import tattoosmart files to Procreate. If you have any problems, remember, make sure your iPad, iOS, and Procreate are up to date, and contact support@tattoosmart.com with any questions.